Hey, what's up guys? John from johnmcneil.com here, and I'm coming to you live from this particular account, and I wanted to show that I actually generated about 10 bucks today, and all I did was actually send one email and I made $10. And the great thing about this is I actually didn't sell a thing, but I made $10. And this is what we call CPA marketing. I actually just got a few clicks, 22 clicks to a page where about 8 people opted in. And for those 8 emails, I was paid $1.25 per email, which gave me a grand total of about $10. And actually this was done in about an hour. So in about an hour, I made $10 by typing up a quick email, and I did nothing else but do that. I pressed send and I made 10 bucks. This is what we're going to be talking about today. It's called CPA marketing. All right, guys. So we're going to learn all about CPA marketing in this video. But before we do, make sure you subscribe to the channel and smash that like button for more videos just like this. Okay, so if I'm being completely honest and transparent in this video, I did go on to make a little bit more than $10 that you saw on the screen. I had just sent out that email and I just started getting clicks. So I made $10. And I made some more money because I had more people opt in to the page. So much so that I actually did get this email that I'm going to read to you guys. It came from the person that works at the Cpa Network, and it says, "Hi John, how are you? Hope all is well. You were sending a teeny bit of traffic to our offer. The advertiser really likes the traffic and wanted to see if you could turn up the volume. What would it take to make this happen? Thank you." So they actually started getting some of my traffic, and I actually just sent this link to a small segment of my list to kind of test it out, to test out the offer to see if it'll actually convert and pay. So I sent it to a small segment of my list, and I actually started generating $1.25 per email. So again, the reason why I like CPA marketing is you don't have to sell anything. You don't have to get somebody to purchase a product or a service. You can literally just get somebody to take an action, like opt into a page, like fill out an application, like take a trial offer. You don't have to get them to spend a lot of money, and you can be compensated for it. So what I want to do in this video is I want to walk you through the steps of what you need to do if you want to actually start generating money with CPA marketing, regardless if you're a beginner or not. So one of the first things that you need to do is you actually need to find a network that has offers. You need to find a CPA network that has offers that you can actually join. Now, the major problem that a lot of newbies face, or a lot of people that are just starting out online, is they have a hard time getting approved for certain networks. So there's a lot of networks out there, and sometimes they want you to have like a big social media presence, or they want you to have like a website that gets a lot of traffic, and a lot of people starting out, they just don't have that, right? So I actually just did a video the other day, and I actually go over the top 12 CPA networks for beginners that have no requirements or no approval. So I'll link that video in the description below. So if you're new and you're beginning and you're trying to find out like where should I go to get into a CPA network that's not going to have all these stringent requirements, you can go into the description and check out my video. It's the top 12 CPA networks for beginners that have no requirements. So once you actually picked a network and you're signed up and you have an account, what you want to do then is you want to actually find a good high converting offer. Now, some of the easiest offers that you can actually make quick money with, like you saw here at the beginning of the video, is by doing email submits. And that's all you need to do is get the person to submit their email, and then you can get paid. So there's tons of offers out there. Again, you can probably get paid anywhere between 25 cents a lead to $2 a lead. It just kind of depends on the offer and how much the advertiser is willing to pay. I would think that you would want to try to find offers that are at least $1 or more. Like I was promoting an offer that was $1.25. So every time someone opted in, I made $1.25. No one even exchanged money. So this is a great thing for all parties involved, right? So what you want to do is you want to find an offer. So if you're looking for like an email submit offer, you want to look for offers that have CPL. CPL stands for cost per lead. So you want to go find those offers. You can probably filter within the network that you're in and look for cost per lead offers, because that's going to be some of the easiest offers that beginners can start out with just by driving some traffic to those offers and getting people to opt in, giving their email, and then you in turn get paid for it. Keep in mind with all offers, some of these advertisers do have some rules and restrictions that you do need to read and follow. So some people may not want you to use Facebook or some sort of social media. Some people may not want banner advertising. So it just depends on what they want. Some people don't have any requirements at all, and you can kind of do whatever type of marketing that you want to do. Just make sure that when you're looking at the offer, read the requirements to make sure that you're doing everything legitimately so that you can actually get paid for the traffic that you send. You don't want to spend time sending traffic and that traffic is not going to qualify. So just make sure that you're reading everything and reading all the requirements so that you make sure that you get paid. So the final thing that you need to do is you actually need to get traffic to the actual offer. So we picked a network, we picked the cost per lead offer, right? So we're getting a lead submit offer. Now, how do we actually get traffic to this actual offer? So for me, I actually mailed a segment of my list. So it was easy for me because I've been building my list over time and I've amassed a lot of emails. So basically I have traffic on tap because all I have to do is type up an email, press send, and then people actually start going to my emails. Some people open, some people click, and obviously some people actually opted into the page that I was promoting, right? So that's probably one of the easiest ways to get traffic to this offer is by doing email marketing. So if you haven't started building your list and you're interested in doing email marketing, definitely check out my free course. It's called the Super Affiliate Hack. I'll have that in the description below. It'll actually teach you how you can actually start building a list so that you can actually have traffic on tap so that when you're coming to promoting different offers, you can just basically mail the offers to your list and you can actually start making money pretty fast and pretty quickly, just like I did today. Now, for those of you that don't want to do email marketing or you want to try to make some money in the process while you're building your list, I'm definitely going to give you a couple tips and strategies on how you can actually start getting traffic to your CPA offers. So one of the first things I would highly recommend if you want to get some good quality traffic to your offers is doing YouTube. So with YouTube, you can actually create content. YouTube is free. You can create this content and you can actually push traffic to these different offers. So what you want to do is once you have your offer selected, you would want to find out more about the offer, try to see what that offer is actually promoting on the back end. And then you want to actually try to create some content that is congruent to that offer, and then maybe get some tips and strategies within your content and then push people to the actual link. You can basically just say, hey, for more information about XYZ, go and check the link in the description, and you can actually push people to your CPA offer through YouTube. You can also start a blog. You can actually create content via blog writing, doing SEO. That's a much slower way to get traffic, but if you're building up content over time on your blog, you can definitely start getting traffic to your website and you can actually start pushing people to your CPA offers. And the cool thing about like YouTube and having a blog is once you do the work and get this content on your blog or your YouTube channel, the work is there for forever, right? So the content is there for forever. So if you're taking your time, you're doing a good job and you're getting traffic to it, it may just be a little bit of traffic at first, but over time that traffic can build up and build up and build up. And next thing you know, you're just making CPA money hand over fist, day in and day out. Another thing that you can actually do is actually do paid traffic, and you can actually do like pay-per-click. You can do Facebook ads, you can do YouTube ads, you can actually even do banner ads. But again, you definitely want to check with the requirements of the offer just to make sure that you're doing everything proper, whether it's free or paid. You just want to make sure that you're doing what is in the requirements of that particular offer. So if you are going to go the paid route, you want to make sure that you can get the traffic cheaper than what your actual payout is. So if I'm going to spend money on traffic, and I'm making $1.25 per email, I definitely want to try to make sure that I'm getting traffic for probably less than 50 cents per click, maybe 50 cents a click, maybe 40 cents a click, because you want to set in some profit margin for yourself if you're going to be going the paid route. So for many of you that are watching this, you may not be very experienced with paid traffic. So you may want to start off with free traffic first and you build up some income, and then you can try some of the paid traffic methods to actually scale up your campaigns, because if you get a winning campaign, then you can actually just print money on demand, because if you're making $1.25 per email, but you're only spending 40 cents per click, you can literally just scale up, and make a ton of money with CPA marketing. There's people in the CPA marketing game that are making millions and millions of dollars, and they're not selling a thing. And again, that's why I love CPA marketing. I haven't done a lot of it, but I've just been getting into it recently, and I plan to scale up myself. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video about CPA marketing. I hope you got some value and it helped you out a little bit. If you guys want more content, more videos on CPA marketing and what I'm doing to promote CPA offers, make sure you hit a like on this video, and I'll definitely continue to create some more content about CPA marketing because I'll know you guys like it. So make sure you check out those links in the description, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.